Okay, a call here was that she said she had a power outage a couple days ago, and now the AC won't work. So I get up here, I turn the AC on, and my fan is blowing. So let's see what else is going on here. Initial reading, less than 25 psi, R22 system, so that's not good. And here we're at about 90 degrees saturation. And on a 90-degree day, that's not very good. Still at 93, that's not very good. Hey, we're all frosted up right now. No airflow. No airflow coming through. I think we're low on charge. Okay, so this would be an issue if your blower motor was not running. We gotta figure out what's going on with that. Okay guys, so I've got my Tech Inspect hooked up here, and it's on. I have it hooked up here. It did some back and forth movement for a while, and now it's running. So if you hook your Tech Inspect up to the motor and it starts running, then you know that your problem is not with the motor, it's somewhere back here. So this is what controls the motor. This is likely our problem. They just had a power surge not too long ago here, so we're going to start looking here. All right, now we have just jumped out red to fan. I just wanted to jump that out and see if the signal from the board would turn the fan on, and it did come on. So more communication stuff here going on. Okay, now we're in the AC mode. And it finally took off. Huh. Interesting. Okay, we were able to get this lady up and going now. I thought it was going to be a little bit more intense than that, but cleaned the evap coil, which was just caked and soaking wet, and it had frozen over, as you saw. Refrigerant pressures look pretty good. I got 73 on the low side, 223 on the high side, which comes out to 110 and 43 degrees, so I'm pretty happy with those. My temp split is still a little high, but just gonna leave it where it's at right now. We'll try the cleaned evap coil first. I'm not sure what was going on with the blower motor at first. I don't know if that GE ECM motor I think it's like a 2.3 or something. I'm not sure if it like has like a limit on it where it shuts down automatically, but that kind of seemed what was going on when the static pressure of it got too high. I'm sure at some point it shut itself down. So once I cleaned it and was able to get it some air, it started up, and I never had a problem with it again. So we will chalk this one up to a dirty evap coil, and if it freezes up again, we'll come back out and diagnose. Maybe the blower motor is slowing down or something like that. It could be, I don't know, I guess it could be an overcharge, but I like those pressures actually right where they're at. 110 on the high side, 110 degrees, and it's a 90-degree day today on this rooftop, maybe 95, so that's still only 15 degrees up. So I think this will fix it. They just need to keep good maintenance on this system, and that'll prevent the problems. They hadn't changed their filter in a long time, obviously. So, okay, so we're going to get on to the next call.